Welcome back to the boat build. Let's do it. See that boat right there? That boat is in my way. It's on the trailer. It's ready to go, but there's some holdups. As soon as this boat gets out of the way, I get to pull my boat out of the water, and then we really get to make some tracks. But until then, looks like I'm doing more demolition. Starting back where we left off. I guess we're gonna destroy this room. Yeah, we gotta get rid of the shag carpet, the pleather. We're gonna leave the walls up, of course, but pleather, carpet, it's all gotta go. Bunk's gonna stay. These drawers gonna stay. There's an AC. Ooh, need to clean that vent. There's an AC unit in there. This sort of closet thing is gonna go. I have much more interest in having a seat here, in this area, a place to sit on and put on your damn shoes or whatever. Much rather have that than an extra sink that I never used and sort of a shoe closet thing. We're just gonna make that go away. It's gotta go. Let's get this carpet out of the way. I cannot remember to bring a razor knife with me, no matter how much I remind myself, put the razor knife in your pocket. No, I forget. Always forget to actually sharpen my 5-in-1 tool. Nobody cares about your 5-in-1 tool. Oh. There we go. Ow. Ow. Oh, he got me. Ooh. Almost forgot it's time for my daily affirmations. You're gonna get your boat fixed. You can do it. You can finish this project. You know why? Because you're good enough, you're smart enough, and doggone it, that is a good mirror. Look at that. I guess that's so if you bash your face on it when you're out to sea, it doesn't cut you. Oh boy. That is a mirror right there, ladies and gentlemen. There's really an uncomfortable amount of mirrors in this V-berth up here. You got this one. There's one right by the bed. I'm surprised these kinky folks in the 80s didn't put them on the ceiling in here. Woo! Ah! All right, now. To take this out gently. That's the air conditioning controls. Yeah, we're slumming it today. If you know what that is, comment below. As for putting your clothes hangers in, nice little piece of teak. I might actually save this. Yeah. Come out of there. Sucker is well built, I'll give it that. I should rename this series 10 Million Screws. Oh. Now we're looking at something here. Ooh, that just, okay. I guess that, guess it wasn't real, ow, damn. There we go. I don't know what's on this rag, but it doesn't smell good. Staple. And screws. I mean, damn, man. That's some good pleather. Hold that thing on there like that. Pile is growing exponentially. Oh, hey, that's a lot of stuff connected to other stuff. All right. There's miles of carpet in here. Aha! Yeah. Oh, might get more than I bargained for on this one. All right. If any of you C-Ray people need these blender parts, the motor for it, the housing that was under the counter, is shot and had some rust, and it was just a mess. But these are all the fittings and pieces and parts. I think most of them, might be all of them. I'm sure I have all of them. If you want them, drop me a comment or something like that. We'll figure out a way to get them to you. I don't want any money for them. I just want to get rid of them, but I don't want to trash them. The Newtone Food Center. Looks like somebody put mayonnaise on this floorboard to glue it down. Oh, more mayonnaise. Huh. Oh, separate strip all the way down, huh? Yes! Subscribe to the channel. We got a whole series about what's happening to this boat from start to finish. I think we're at a good stopping point. I'm done sweating. Goodbye.